am Mark King from Cushy Records out of LA. I'm from New York originally. Been DJing since '95 and producing tech house since 1997. I love Amsterdam. It's my favorite city in Europe. Being from New York originally, Amsterdam kind of holds a lot of the same feel and aesthetic as New York. And I like the fact that it's small and you can get around it pretty easily, especially for an event like ADE. You can run from one end of the town to the other, and it's just about whatever series of events that you want in a given night. Everybody's very welcoming and just a fun place.